Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So this is the one of the knowledge thing which we are learning. So basically everyone knows AWS, which is related to the servers where you are maintaining these RDPs, remote desktops. So every time, most of the time saying that you log into VDI and check those things, do like those kind of things they are saying. Na? So right now I have this two instances servers are there. So I will go one of the server, and right now when you check here, one second. So when you check here, this is my local disk D. Okay, this local disk D, how can I configure to my server VDI? Okay, this is the local things. These all files I want to make it like a server. So for example, the bot is running on the particular server, so it do some files uploading. Those files I want to see here. I don't want to log in again and again. So those kind of setups we are doing right now. So we'll try to explore how it will work, and we do this. So first of all, I will log in this instance here. This is the one instance. I'm going this instance. So now I need the password for this. So let me go and take the password. So RDP client, and I will get the password here. So let me update the key value. So this is my key, and it will give the password. Okay, when you go our real time, the passwords will be the very standard. It will change for only 2 months. So right now, what I'm doing, this is a free source of things. So that's why it's also some bit different when you see to the real things. Okay, now when I go and click on the continue and I will update this password, I will show you everything. So how it will connect everything, I will show you one by one. So first of all, we'll check whether it has activated the drive is available or not. So when I go and check, there is no drive, nothing else. So this is a TS client. When I go here, so there is a nothing is configured here. Okay. So now what I will do, I will just close these things. Okay. Just I will close right away. And so now right now you can follow the steps what I am doing. So in your machine, it should be RDP is available. So just open that particular RDP and you can give this computer name. So this is my computer name I am get from this here. So public DNS, which is nothing but as my computer name. Okay, and user administration, automatically it will trigger to your local things. Okay, just click on that connect. One second, before moving to connect, you can check this one, show options is just expand this. Once you expand this, you can go this local resources. After this local resources, you can see the more option here. Okay, just click on this more option, and right now you can see this configurations is all available. So these go to the drivers. So under this drivers, if you want to configure with local OS, local disk C or local disk D, if you have some more drivers are there, you can go with the more drivers. So as of now, I'm just concentrating on the drive D. Okay, just click on this OK, and once you navigate to drive D, I cannot go with I cannot give the permissions for particular things. I cannot control right now here. So it might be control for the paid version. I'm not sure that. So this is just for how the servers is vice versa, like that, for the knowledge purpose. Okay, just click on this OK. So once you click on this OK, and just click on the connect, and click on the connect, and now it will ask for the password. So just update this password. So once you update this password, okay, then click on the S, and it will open that. Okay, now when you check the same instances I open here, so now just close this and I will reopen this one. So just I'll reopen this and I will go this TS client. So previously we not see anything like a drive D. Right now we can find this client D. So just open this, I mean the folder. So right now, and we can see this all the files which you have this available in my local disk. Okay, now what I will do, I will just create one new folder for the test purpose. Okay, I just create one folder. It will take some time to update. Okay, it's got. Okay, it's updated as a new folder. So now when I go and check back to this my local folder, let's go here and we can check this with the name of test is available. So where is this? Okay, new folder I created and name as a new folder, and we can check here, this is a new folder. So like this, whatever the things you updated now, so it will update work like that. For example, if I delete the file from my local machine and the same thing is reflected here, now I will just refresh on the top level and we can see this folder has been deleted. So why we are using these things means, for example, one automation is running, that time it will uploaded some files to the things, and later we want to check once. We need to log in and check. So here the thing is, we don't want to log in, but we need to check. For that purpose, we are using the servers like this. So this is one of the sample setup which I have this with this TS client. When you go to the real time, there is a bunch thing is happening on the backend side. So all the things will be set up on the backend sides. So right now this is something very small thing. I founded it and I'm sharing like a video just for the knowledge purpose, how the servers is linked to that. Just assume the same thing. So right now this server has interacted with these things. So similar way, when you go with long bunch of the things, we have the servers like this, same how the machines are available, same that like servers is available. So the servers is nothing but as a machines. In that machines we can deploy some kind of tools, or might be the automations, or might be some chatbots. So chatbots also we are deploying in this servers, and we are accessing the link from other sources. So like that it will work vice versa. So I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Yeah.